Guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing an unboxing of a phone trade I did with a kid named Kayden. I'll link his channel in the description. I haven't sent out his phones just yet. I'm going to be sending them out tomorrow morning. Pretty much after I made the deal with him about doing a phone trade, I got in a minor car accident, and that set me back a little bit, so I've had to deal with that. But finally, I'm relieved with that headache, and I'll get everything taken care of and hopefully get back onto the track of everything, but the way it is going, probably not. So he ended up sending me, to be honest, know what he actually sent me. I'm just going to wing this, to be honest. Starting out with an AT&T phone. Down that bottom corner. It's an Alcatel 4440. Yeah, sounds really weird when I said it that way. Don't have anything charging it or not. And probably, to be honest, whatever I don't want from him, I'm probably just gonna send back to him so he has it, because, you know, at least he could do what he wanted to do with it. Works. There's that one. We'll start with this first bag. Here is a couple of Sanyos. We'll start with those there first. This is the Sanyo PM-8200. I'm guessing for Sprint. I couldn't tell you. There is 5 of those. Let's see, we got a battery. So let's see, this one has a battery. Looks to be dead. This one has a battery. Looks to be dead. The battery. Dead as well. And the last one. Dead. This one has a hinge issue, as you can tell, so it looks pretty interesting. Here is another Sanyo. It's a different model number, 8300. It looks to be, it's got charge in it. There's that one. There's a battery, I'm guessing for, maybe this one's broken with the messed up hinge. There. I see that one did turn on, but it is indeed dead. Here is a Sanyo Scp-8100. It's an interesting lavender color. It looks to be dead. Here's a pretty beat up. Get the back cover off it, maybe. Sanyo 2300 in really poor shape. It looks to be dead. Looks like a lot of the paint has worn off of it. Pretty typical of these older Sanyo phones. A lot of the paint likes to come off for some reason. Here is another, I think this is 8300 again, or 8100. Yep. This is I think the same thing as this one. Yeah. It looks to be dead. Here is a Sanyo Katana Lx. This is in pinkish, purplish color. I'll go with pink. It seems to turn on. Let's get charging it and everything. Back off, and we're going to turn this one back off as well. Going to the next bag here. couple more devices here. We have, see if we got any repeats. Keep it easier, keep them all together. Okay. Starting off with Motorola W315 on Altel. Hinge seems kind of iffy. It seems to be dead. Here is a Motorola. I know I already have one of these, I think. I can never remember the model number of these ones. Motorola W325. No, V325, not W. Cover back on here. And it seems to be dead. These have been sitting out outside for a little bit as well. Metro PCS. I have one of these in the Sprint version. I don't think this one has a battery. UT Starcom CDM 7025. I do have one of these on Sprint if I remember right. Keypad's pretty disgusting like they all are on these ones. Pretty heavy screen wearing, but there's that one. Samsung Intensity 2 on Verizon. Has no battery. Front cover is pretty rough. LG VX5200 on Verizon. Maybe. Pretty poor shape as well. Keypad's pretty yellow. Put that over there. We have a car charger adapter. The LG VX8300, which probably fits this one as well. Look at the water damage inside that thing. It looks like the charger is actually broken a little bit here on the end. This one does not fit it. There's that one. This one actually fits this right here. I'm looking at it. Yeah. This is an LG singular device. LG CG225. Looks like it's got water damage on the indicator, as you can see there. It is on singular, as you can tell by the branding. It seems to have some charge in it. Last but not least is a Samsung T-Mobile device here. It is a Samsung SGH-T399. Let's see if it's got any power in it. It seems to be dead. But there it is. I would say in decent shape. Some few scratches here and there on the glass, but nothing too bad. Alrighty, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.